What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a digital signature in Photoshop. First, sign your name on a white piece of paper. For the best results, take a clear photo of the signature or scan it if possible. Open Photoshop and import the image of your signature. Select the crop tool from the toolbar on the left and crop the image to focus on the signature. Next, go to the Channels panel, which is usually located next to the Layers panel. Select the red channel because it often has the highest contrast between the signature and the paper. Go to Image in the top menu and then select Adjustments and then Curves. In the Curves dialog box, hold the Alt key, Option key on Mac, and drag the slider on the right towards the left until the details around the signature disappear. Then hold the Alt key or Option key on Mac again and drag the slider on the left towards the right until the signature becomes clear and the background is mostly white. Click on OK to apply the changes. Now, hold the Control key or Command key on Mac and click on the thumbnail of the red channel. This will select the white areas of the image. Press Ctrl Shift and I or Command Shift and I on Mac to revert the selection so that the signature is selected. Switch back to the Layers panel. You no longer need the original image, so you can turn off its visibility. Create a new solid color adjustment layer by clicking on the adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and selecting Solid Color. Choose any color you like for your signature and click on OK. Now, you have your digital signature on a transparent background. You can save it as a PNG file to preserve the transparency. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.